Divide 700 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 30. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting, we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 0 and it is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 700 divided by 4 is 175. So this much for today and thanks for watching.